Okay, hello everybody here. Thank you very much for your attention. Today you have an interesting questions of mathematics. Question number 1, you have already given evaluate limit x approaching to 1, square root of x minus 1 over cubic root of x. Sorry, this one is for x minus 1, I'm sorry. Here we have interesting question for question number 1. You have limit x approaching to 1, root of x minus 1 over x minus, this one is x minus 1. When you are evaluating the limits of this kind of equation, first of all, you have to take this value of 1. This is your number already given and you place here, so that you have to check whether you can get the answer. This will be equal to 1 minus 1 over root of 1 minus 1. Together, this will be equal to 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1. Then limit x approaching to 1, root of x minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 0 over 0. Together, then 0 over 0 is impossible. This one takes IF means is what you call indeterminate form. Sometimes you can write as indeterminate cases. Then there is a simple and interesting way to solve this problem instead of applying what you call hospital law. The first method to this is that when you have the limit x approaching to a, the a power, is x power m minus a power m over x power m minus a power m. This will be equal to, together is m over m times a power m minus m. This is the interesting method. This is simply here see on this equation. Limit x approaching to 1 together square root of x minus 1 over root of x minus 1 is equal to, is the same as limit x approaches to 1 square root of x minus square root of 1 over this one of x minus root of 1 here. This is the same, okay? Because square root of 1 is equal to 1. Even here we get the 1, here the same. This implies that this limit x approaching to 1, okay, is a square root of x minus, you will get the same as x power 1 over 2 minus 1 power 1 over 2 over, together x power 1 over 3 minus 1 power 1 over 3. This simply means that m is equal to 1 over 2 and n will be equal to 1 over 3 together. Then by using this property here, if you know the value of m and the value of n, remember that a is equal to 1 here. A is equal to 1. Then where a is equal to 1 together. If you have the value of a and you have the value of m here and the value of n, it's of that simple and easy to solve this kind of equation. Then by let's already been discussing and if you know that the value of a is equal to 1, n is equal to 1 over 2, and n is equal to 1 over 3. And the property says that limit x approaches to a, x power m minus a power n over x power, n, x power n minus a power n is equal to a, is equal to m over n times a power n minus a. This simply means that limit x approaching to 1, x power 1 over 2 minus 1 power 1 over 2 over together is x power 1 over 3 minus is 1 power 1 over 3. This will be equal to, we will have is m over n, 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 3, okay, times a is equal to 1, power 1 over 2m minus 1 over 3. Together, this implies that we will have is 1 over 2 and 3 over 1 times a power, is 1 power, and you have the numerator is 6, remaining 6 minus 2. This one is equal to 3 over 2 times 1 power 1 over 6. Then 1 power 1 over 6 is equal to 1. 3 over 2 times 1 is equal to 3. That is the final answer. 3 over 2. So that's simple and easy. Okay? If you can try, even when you have the try yourself. Question number which side is like the other question, similar to this one. Other question which is similar to this one. For example, you have limit x approaches to 2x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So that's simple. You can use this property together to solve this kind of equation. Thank you very much. For the best.